In front of me is Motorola Razr 70, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, click on this icon of a camera and a photo at the bottom right corner. Tap on any video you wanna add and send it. If you can't find it here, you can tap on Folders at the top, look for it here, and then send it. By tapping on Done and then Send button. If you want to record a video now, tap on those two arrows at the top right corner of Camera section, switch to video, and create your recording. After you will be finished, it will be automatically attached to your message. Now, if you want to create audio file now and add it as a voice memo, use this button at the bottom right corner. Tap on microphone 1, start recording, and when you finished, by clicking on the same middle button, you can listen to it and decide if you want to restart it or attach it. To add already existing audio file, use this plus on the left. Then select Files. Choose one from here by tapping on one of those apps, by hitting Audio at the top, or clicking on those three lines at the top left corner to pick it from one of those sources, like Downloads. Tap on it and send it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!